Nestled in scenic Van Alstyne, Texas, this breathtaking property offers a slice of heaven spread across 52 acres of manicured rolling hills with trees, wildlife, gorgeous sunsets, and water views. Less than 15 miles from the vibrant McKinney Square, Double L Ranch boasts a custom-built 5,400 square foot luxury smart home built by the homeowner himself. As you open the front door, you step into a massive 2-story family room with a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and a custom-designed bar to entertain all your guests. Then step right into the heart of the home, a professional chef's dream kitchen featuring a massive 9 by 12 foot island. But that's only the beginning. Every room of this one-of-a-kind estate includes luxury custom features only found with resort living. The inviting primary suite includes an infrared sauna, a gorgeous standalone tub, and a massive walk-in shower. Everything you need to enjoy elite country living has been attended to with a private pond and dock, crushed asphalt roads, and 2 miles of utility, electric, fiber optics, water, and natural gas already brought in. This unique home also boasts a massive media room with a wet bar, a game room, and an office with a walkout 2nd-story deck. Venture next door to the incredible custom 6,000 square foot workshop with 14-foot bay doors, car lift, RV hookup, and plenty of room for your car toys, equipment, RV, or bus. This workshop also features an air-conditioned 1,500 square foot living area or man cave complete with a full bath and kitchenette. In addition to the 2,100 square feet of covered patio, you will feel like you are always on vacation, enjoying the 40,000-gallon resort pool complete with a 10-person hot tub, outdoor kitchen, and a custom fire pit. Don't miss your chance to experience this private and peaceful paradise in the heart of DFW by clicking the link in our bio. Double L Ranch, where luxury meets tranquility.